Yeah.
So it's arrived. Took a couple of weeks. Got it from the internet because it was cheaper, or eBay. It's a steering column switch, and about 60 quid on eBay. It's about 200 or 100 and something from the local, nearly 200 pounds from a local supplier. So waited. This probably came from Germany, I think. Anyway, so this is the side we're having issues with, the left hand indicator.
Yep.
So when we go to turn left,
Yep.
it doesn't work, or it's intermittent. Obviously you've got the hazards, and you've got your main beam, full beam, and window washer. So
Yeah.
any of those switches could be a problem. So let's fit it. Okay, so we're looking to go. Oh no, that wasn't indicators, that was wipers. So that's it. So right, no problem. Left, now go left without touching it. Try again. Now it's stopped working. And now it's sort of making a funny noise. Hang on, I'll switch the wipers off. So wipers are working, but that could have been a fault. The problem is this left hand indicator isn't always working, so there you go, stopped working. It's not the bulb, we checked all that, it's definitely this switch, column switch. So let's get going and change it. Right, first of all we've got to take the cover off. This cover is held on with two screws under here.
Now.
Right, you've got one side and you've got one the other side. Okay, so then you lift this off. So we remove this. Now remember, you've still got power on here, so take care when unplugging things. And we got a screw somewhere to undo here at the back of here. Just one screw, and all we've got to do then, undo that. And then this should lift off.
Okay.
We'll have to disconnect the battery. We just disconnect the negative terminal. So loosen it and then lift it. Now obviously that's going to reset the radio. We'll have to put the code back in when we reconnect. Right, we'll insulate it in a plastic bag. That's it. Right, this time when we lift this, no more horn. Right, and now we need to unplug it somewhere. So you push in there, but it actually goes in like that, so that comes out like that. So that's that side, and the same the other side. Just, you've got to sort of lever it out. Yeah? So here's the new one, same design, so you go in with that, yeah, that angle, clip that in, and that one, go in at an angle, and clip that in, that's it, and then you just put it back. This is the new one, identical to the old one. So you've got these like little plunger they make for the horn probably. So what you've got to do, you've got to push it against that rim. There's a rim, and you want to make sure that these are pushed in, and then this will just push down so it's flush. Okay, then you can put back the screw and go back in at the back of this. Before putting the cover on, we'll just best test it. Sounds like a pigeon. Right, so you go put this back on. So we've got this, will reconnect the power. That's not working. Oh. Right, we've got this unit here. That's what's missing on this one. So that is the flasher unit. So we need that over here. So we'll have to take it off. Well, it's not quite the same. There you go. So that will plug in. So we need to plug this. We need to plug this unit in here. Right, and then that's held in there. So now we try it. The flasher unit installed and the car engine running. Notice left indicator, right indicator, left indicator, all fine. Oh, that was the washer. And then what was it? Where's lights? Oh, there you go. And there's lights. So we're all working. Well, we did everything right, apart from we didn't put the flasher unit on there, which we now know it's important to transfer it. So then you put the screw back in, everything lined up all right, and the cover, and we put our cover on carefully because we've got the screws already in there, so we don't have so much trouble. We can just do it up. Make sure you've retightened the battery once you've done that. And just to conclude, when you replace one of these, you may or may not have this unit, flasher unit, already installed. If it's not installed, you'll have to transfer it from the other old unit to the new unit, and then hopefully then that'll be it. Everything okay. Right. When you've disconnected the battery, you may have to, well, you will have to reset the code. So you press one button once, oh, maybe we set it wrong, therefore you've got to wait. Oh, here we go, code. You go up and down with this. There you are, radio's working.
At southernrailway.com, where every stop is a story. Terms apply.